What are prime numbers? Do you know?
No.
See, the numbers which have only two factors, either 1 or the number itself. Let's say 2. 2 comes in the table of 1 only and 2 only, right? Let's say
Yes.
5. 5. 5 is a common factor, yes. Sorry, prime number. Why? Because it just have two factors. The first one is 1 and the second one is 5 itself.
5.
5 doesn't come in the table of any other number. Okay. If I ask you about 4, so what are the common factors? The first factor is 1. Does 4 comes in any other table? Numbers table?
2.
Okay. The second factor is 2. And the third factor is?
4.
Yeah. So we have 1, 2 and 4. That is, we have 3 factors. So the numbers with more than 2 factors are called as composite numbers. What are they called as? Composite numbers. Clear? So what are
Yes.
prime factors? Factor numbers which have only 2 factors. And what are those 2 factors? 1 and the number itself.
Itself.
Yeah. 1 and the number itself. Okay. And what are the composite numbers? The numbers which have more than 2 factors. Okay. Tell me, 6 is a prime number or a composite number?
6. Composite.
Yeah. Can you tell the factors of 6, Saradhya?
1,
Yes.
2,
Okay.
6. Sorry, 3.
3, yes. And
6.
yeah, that's okay. So here we have calculated the 4 factors. Now, any doubt? Okay. Can we come to the questions? Okay. Just a second. Okay, one thing I want to ask, Radhya, do you have any holidays next week related to some festival, like any holidays in your school on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday
No.
in the upcoming? Okay, it might be not there. Okay, it's just for like the information. Yeah, so we have to start this. Okay, I hope you understand the meaning of the word common. That comes in both the numbers, right? Okay, so first I'll start off with the question number 1. In that, what you have to do, you have to find out the common factors. Common factors in each pair of numbers. What you have to find out? You have to find out the common factors in each pair of numbers. Okay, I'll solve one and I'll explain you, and then I'll ask you to solve the second one. Okay? Okay. In that case, the first one is 21. And
38.
Okay. So first I'll write 21. And over here, let me write 28. I hope it is visible. 28.
Yeah.
Okay. The first factor is 1 into
21.
So what is, okay. And over here 1
into 28.
So what will it be?
28.
So what is the first common factor that you get over here is? It is common in both the numbers. Which factor is common in both?
1.
Yeah. Let's try the second one. Okay, now tell me in which number the table the digit 21 comes.
The digit 21.
Go with the table.
3,
How many times?
7.
Okay. So can I write? And what about 28?
Yes.
What about 28?
28. 2.
2. And let's go with the table of 7.
7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 6, 14. 7 threes are
Write it over here first. You told me 3 sevens are. Okay, one question over here, Aradhya. If 3 sevens are is 21, can I say 7 threes are is also 21?
yes.
Okay. Yeah. You are going with the table of 7. Please continue.
7 ones are 7.
Okay.
7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28.
So wait. Okay. Now what is the second common number? What is the second common number?
4.
Okay. But over here there is no 4. There is no 4 over here. See what is common. Just look over here. 3 is here but 3 is not here. 4 is here but 4 is not here. 7 is here and 7 is also over here. So what is common?
7.
Yeah. So what is the first factor that we got? Was 1 and the second one was 7. Okay. Now let's move to the third one. Do you think we have any other factor? Just think and tell me. Common. Basically common. Just think and let me know. You said 14. I mean 2. Yeah. We can divide 2 by 28. The answer will come as 14. Okay. But does 21 is 21 divisible by 2?
21. No.
According. So will it be common?
No.
So what is the final answer? I mean, what are the common factors?
1 and 7.
Yes, that's done. Okay? Understood? So can you try the B part and tell me what are the common factors?
Okay.
12 and 18.
Okay.
Try it in your notebook and tell.
Okay.
Yeah. And any doubt, please feel free to ask. Okay, Aradhya, is this chapter being completed in your school?
We're finishing, still doing it.
This part, it's finished or yet to be done?
Yet to be done.
Okay, it means we are going far ahead. I mean ahead from your school, right? In this?
Yes.